Evaluate 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 3/4. When adding mixed numbers, I personally like to turn all of my numbers into improper fractions. It's not always necessary, and sometimes I won't do that, but in this case I will when they're both mixed numbers. So, how do you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction? You multiply the whole number times the denominator. 2 times 4 is 8. Add that to the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9, and you get 9 over 4. Keep the denominator the way it is, and 9 is what you get when you multiply 2 times 4 and add 1. Now do the same thing over here. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 over 4. Now that we have the same denominator, we're going to add these fractions up. When adding fractions, add the numerators like you normally would. 9 plus 15 is 24. If the denominators are the same, keep the denominators the way they are, in this case 4. Now we can simplify this, and this actually simplifies wonderfully because 24 divided by 4 is exactly 6. So at the end of the day, this mixed number plus that mixed number, 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 3/4 is 6.